Hi friends, I bought this iPhone SE 2020. Today I got this iPhone. So today we are going to unbox this phone. Let us see how is this. Yeah, before unboxing the phone, let us open this packing. Yeah, Flipkart gave a very good packing. I'm feeling very difficult to open it. Yeah, you can see this is very hard. Okay, I will apply all my energy. Yeah, here comes the iPhone. Wow, it looking very nice. Yeah, it feels good when you hold it. Oh, look at this iPhone box. Yeah, Apple logo. Yeah, iPhone on the right side and some details. Yeah, this 128 GB variant and other details and pricing, everything. Yeah, the box is similar to the iPhone 8 and another variant, previous variants. I think there is no change in the design of the box. The same box, they're maintaining it. Yeah, unlike other phones, yeah, this comes with the same package. Yeah, we need to just peel this off in order to break any. We don't want to use any scissors and any other things. It comes automatically, and it's very good packing also. This is your iPhone box. Good, feels good. Yeah, here comes some documentations. Let us see what are there. Yeah, there are two Apple logo stickers. Yeah, next some paperwork. Next we got SIM ejector tool also. That's it, nothing more than that. Yeah, this on the top there is a phone. Yeah, this look very wonderful, slim trim, and we can hold it very easily. Yeah, let us see later. But come to other components. Yeah, here it comes the 5-volt charger. It's very disappointing, but this phone supports 18 watts fast charger that we need to buy it separately. So I don't know why Apple is doing like this. And another thing, it comes with a wired earphones, but with a lightning cable connector. Sorry my friends, if you have high quality 3.5 mm plug earphones, you can't use it here. So I don't know why Apple have removed 3.5 mm. And there is another USB cable for charger. Yeah, let us just see this phone. Yeah, we have small cover, we can remove it easily, and this one is very slim. It's fit perfect in the hand. So let us remove this cover. Okay, start. Wow, see this white color. Yeah, this is very good phone. I am loving this. See, this phone is excellent in looks. Excellent means excellent, I can't say anything. You can go for the red also, no problem. Yeah, coming to specification, this phone has 3 GB RAM, A13 bionic chip, the same chip which is used in iPhone 11 Pro. That means this phone will run very smoothly and effectively, and you can run any high competition game like PUBG without a single lag. But you have to compromise with the screen size. If you are comfortable with the screen, then you will enjoy everything in this mobile. Another great feature in this mobile is IP67 certification. That means this phone survives in rain. However, Apple won't repair its phone if it is a water damage, so better use it carefully. Coming to the performance, you won't believe this works like a beast. Maybe this phone looks very small inside, but it's a monster. And coming to the camera, it in the back it has single 12 megapixel camera, and in the front 7 megapixel camera. As you know, this has a 13 bionic chip. This chip enhances the quality of the image, and you will get wonderful photos and get bokeh effect also. Front and back cameras has different portrait modes like natural light, studio light, contour light, stage light mono, etc., which is very good in this phone. Daylight photos are awesome in this phone, and this phone is surprisingly not supported night mode. Okay, let it be. Video, this phone has optical image stabilization, and you can have high definition videos. It can record high definition videos up to 4K 60 fps. It has quick take option where you can switch instantly by changing from portrait to video mode by just holding a shutter button. This phone comes in red, white and black, and personally I prefer the white is the best because it's personal choice, but I like this video. Yeah, this phone comes with aluminum frame, and front and black is covered with the glass. And I think this is a tough glass, but Apple did not mention anything about this glass, whether it's a Gorilla Glass 3 or 5, but it is a tough glass. So like other phones, like other latest phones, here the Apple logo is on the middle, but previously it is on the top. You can see this, but they have changed the style now. And here this comes with a touch ID and it works very fast. Just touch and open this. There is no lag in it, so you can see well it's work very fast. But nowadays most of the people are preferring the Face ID, but due to pandemic we all are wearing face masks, so it's very tough to identify the face. But this is good. Even if you wear mask also, it will open without any difficulties, right? And this phone has a huge bezels on the top and the bottom, but unlike other phones nowadays, they come with the full screens like this. You see the full screens. Yeah. But those who want prefer the small phones, they can go for it. Personally, I prefer the small phone because it fits very good in our pockets. So I prefer these small compact mobiles. So I have a big one. See, you can how hard it is to hold these mobiles, and they see the comparison also. Man, it's half of the size. Even when you compare with them with iPhone 11 and other things, also it is very compact. And but see this look, it's very sturdy and very good, perfect. Yeah, in the bottom we get speaker grills, and in the middle lighting port. And coming to the left side of the phone, there is a volume up and down button and alert slider. And on the right hand side there is a power on off and button and SIM card tray. And here you can only place one physical SIM, but this is dual SIM. This phone supports dual SIM, and that comes with one with eSIM and another with nano SIM. This is the new phone, but there is no new design. Apple has used the same design as iPhone 8, iPhone 7. See, you can see the same bezels, the same style, but just simply they have changed the Apple logos. Simple. See, this is the previous mobile, this iPhone 6s, and this iPhone 8. See the same size, the same style, everything, and the same screen also. You won't find the difference in the screen. See, there is no change in the screen size also. The same home button, the same one. There is no change, and the same touch feel also same. Everything is same. But those who have used already iPhone 8, they will not find that much difference in this. But those who are coming from iPhone 6s, but they will enjoy this phone because the speed of the phone is very much fast. You can't imagine also. It is very fast mobile because this comes with the A13 Bionic chip and with 3 GB RAM, and the photo quality and video quality is also very well. Very well. Let us see the video clarity. Yeah, see, this is the Super AMOLED screen and this is the IPS LCD screen. So sorry, Retina HD screen according to Apple. So there you don't find any changes. You can't feel that much change. Even though it is a Retina HD display, it gives a very good colors. It produces very good colors. And AMOLED screen, yeah, I agree. AMOLED is the top, but when it comes to the iPhone screens, they are the best in that range. So see, the colors, everything is good. Hope you guys enjoy this video. We'll come with more updates. Please click the subscribe button and please follow our channel, as it is a new channel. We want some more subscribers, and we'll come with new ideas and new videos. Please follow it. You will enjoy our channel. Definitely, I am assuring it.